the guardhouse. There's no guard though. We're supposed to stop and check with him.
It's very secure.
Very secure. Stopping the ghosts. Here we are going up. Hotel registration. This is the concert hall. Very picturesque. I wonder how many ghosts are in there dancing at the party. Then the manor house. This was added on later after the original hotel. This is where the spa is. I think the fitness center. And then the hotel. Here we go. We're gonna stay the night. I hope there are no ghosts. Scary. Oh, front row bingo. Dang. Here's our parking spot. Okay, maybe over here we're gonna park. Under the tree. Next to this Jeep. Trap, are you scared?
I am not scared.
Okay.
I do not get scared.